Hello client subscribers, you're with Ison. In this video, we'll review a 5MP IP POI camera with color night shooting, model GH500SB for surveillance purposes. The most well-known model included in the pre-assembled Ison Ip-Gh video surveillance systems is the highly sought-after famous model. Let's talk in detail about this camera, about all the interesting features and peculiarities. I will also tell you how color night shooting in ECOLED format differs from other options for night shooting. Let's begin. This is the primary feature of the camera. It is a 5MP 2K camera with a Sony matrix. Here is the best matrix, the best processor AMX335. In terms of resolution, this is a top model, the best one. The trick here is that it comes with colored night shooting thanks to ECLED emission. In fact, it can be said that there's a built-in ECLED flashlight with a 4000K color temp, allowing the camera to shoot at night up to 25 meters in color format in the highest quality version. What is the difference between color night shooting and others? A regular surveillance camera with regular infrared illumination, there is always a black and white mode in night shooting. That is, when the light sensor is triggered, evening comes, twilight comes, and your camera switches to black and white mode of operation. Here, when evening comes, ECOLED lanterns are turned on accordingly. In fact, when you have a task to have the highest quality picture at night, cameras with this night shooting format are number one for you. In all other respects, this camera is absolutely the same in terms of characteristics as the popular Ison Ip-Gh-500Sb5Mp camera. Here is also PoE technology on board. It also has a built-in smart motion sensor. It has WDR technology, DNR. She's a street waterproof with protection class IP66 in a metal case, can withstand temperatures from -60 to +55 degrees. Here are only original technologies, no copies, replicas, fakes, under Sony matrices, under processor, under WDR technology. There is none of this here. Here are only original, the most real technologies. Also, of course, RTSP, also the ANVIV protocol. All this is already in the database with these cameras. The camera has a fixed 2.8mm wide-angle lens, providing a 120-degree viewing angle without distortions or fisheye effect. We've already reviewed the ready-made Ison Ip-Gh video surveillance systems. I showed how the Ip-Gh system looks, connects, and configures. That is, these are ready-made sets that include everything necessary for these cameras to work. This is a cable, these are video recorders, these are hard drives, this is all the hardware, this is everything. Traditionally, protective caps are included with each camera here. Traditionally, fasteners, fastening, hexagon, and the original branded box are included in the package. If you want a plug-and-play option, everything works with these ready-made Ison Ip-Gh video surveillance systems. If you have any questions about these cameras, ask our managers or write them in the comments under this video. We will definitely reply to them. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you do not miss a new video.